Find a spot where you can chill the hell out. Maybe your couch or your bed or even the floor, if that's your vibe. Sit or lay down, whatever feels good. Let your body sink into that spot, like you're done with the day's bullshit. Now, close your eyes and let's get started. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, like you're sniffing the ocean breeze. And let it out through your mouth, like you're saying, screw it, to your to-do list. Do it again. Breathe in slowly and let it out nice and easy. One more time. Big breath in and a long, slow breath out. Feel your body start to loosen up like you're already halfway to not giving a damn. Picture yourself on a little sailboat, bobbing on a calm turquoise ocean. The sun's warm, the water's sparkling, and there's not a single annoying email or deadline in sight. You're the captain of this boat, and you're sailing straight to a desert island where no one can buck you. Feel the boat rocking gently as you steer towards your escape. Hell yeah, you're getting away from it all. As you sail, you notice a rusty old pocket on the boat. Inside are your shitty stress bombs, those nasty little bundles of crap that's been weighting you down. Like your boss last minute demands, that jerk who cut you off in traffic, or the laundry pile that's mocking you. They are fizzing and heavy, ready to explode. But don't worry, we're gonna ditch them for good. Feel the boat gliding closer to your island. You spot your desert island ahead. Golden sand, palm trees, and a lagoon that's basically begging you to chill. Drop anchor and step onto the beach, bucket in hand. Open it up and grab one shitty stress bomb. It's glowing red and buzzing with all the crap you've done with. Say, fuck off, stress, and chuck it into the lagoon. Watch it splash, fizzle, and dissolve into the water, turning the lagoon a little bluer with every toss. Do this with each stress bomb, one by one, throwing them into the water and watching them disappear. Feel that bucket and your mind getting lighter with every throw. You've ditched all your shitty stress bumps and your bucket's empty. Toss it into the ocean. It's gone for good. Now, lay down on the warm sand, feeling sun on your skin and the breeze in your hair. The waves are whispering, "You're free, babe. Look up at the clear blue sky. No clouds, no worries, just peace. Take a big breath in, filling your lungs with this fresh island air. And breathe out with the sign of relief. You did it. You are free from all that crap, and you feel damn good. Wade into the lagoon. The water's perfect, cool, but not cold. Float on your back, letting the gentle waves hold you up. The lagoon sparkles with the light from your dissolved stress bombs, like it's glowing just for you. Let this calm, weightless feeling fill your whole body, from your toes to the top of your head. You're safe, you're relaxed, and you are fucking proud of yourself for taking this break. It's time to head back to reality, but you are bringing the island vibes with you. Climb back into your sailboat and set sail, feeling the wind at your back. Your journey feels so easy now, with no stress bombs weighting you down. Sail past a dolphin doing flips, wave at it, and glide back to shore. The lagoon's glow fades behind you, but the calm it gives you stays in your heart. When you reach the shore, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and breathe out gently through your mouth. Again, a big breath in and a soft breath out. One more time. Breathe in deeply and let it out slowly. Feel all the peace and lightness you found on the island staying with you. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes like you're waking up from the best nap ever. Stretch your arms and legs, feeling relaxed and strong. When you're ready to open your eyes, you left your shitty stress bombs behind on that island, and you're carrying a big, chill vibe with you for the rest of your day.